Okay, let's go over the toolbar options on the bottom. So if here, I want to scroll down to show you the different options. We have here, I'm in, that is my default, but here, this is the one for frames. If you want to hit F or you want to just get a frame, this is the one you can get different shapes. You can add a rectangle, a line. So we've used them, but let's say I wanted a rectangle. Here, you can do a pen, a pencil. The T is for text. You can also add comments. And, I can add a note. Hey, please add something here later. I'm adding a note to someone because this is collaborative. And so you can see I just added a note. So I added a comment, and people can add comments. You can see these different options. You can get to your icons and here are your plugins. And I want to, get my plugin, and here, great, I can add one of my little icons here. So there's lots to explore that you can use just from the bottom toolbar.